Is there a lot more pressure, do you think, this year than there was last year? Because there was a lot of pressure last year with Micheál Martin.
There was. And I remember going just before we went into the Oval Office, it was tense. It was tense. Or at least it was, there was just this sense of, God, how is this going to go? And
But that was because, to remind listeners, it was a week or two after Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky had been in the Oval Office, and it was explosive, that meeting. So it was very much, what is Micheál Martin walking into?
And we were in the middle of the tariff
war, which
war,
feels like
everyone
a year ago.
God, I mean, the deal hadn't really been struck between the US and the EU. Yeah, Greenland, Trump's latest threats. What Mark Carney has described as a rupture, and some in government already believe the rupture has already happened. Does put a different emphasis on this, because while Micheál Martin was able to navigate the trade stuff and the tariff stuff very well, and he won quite a lot of praise for how he handled
very calm.
Trump in the Oval Office, and it was a success of a trip. I think, look, as much pressure as there may be from certain political quarters for Micheál Martin to go in there, rip up the playbook, stand up to Trump and tell him what's what.
Or some that not go at all, or some
not to go at all, which isn't going to happen. This trip is about Irish interests. It's not about European interests. Do you know what I mean? It's not about the EU's interests specifically. Yes,
as it compared to last year.
We have to play both sides here. So what's going to be interesting is Trump is going to write the rule book for how this visit goes. Right? We are sitting here at the end of January, and the trip is about 7 weeks away. In many ways, there's no point speculating what's going to happen in the Oval Office.
Absolutely, because we don't know what's going to happen the week
before. No idea what Trump might do in the meantime. If nothing happens, at this stage, it may be a relatively benign visit. But who knows what's going to happen in the next 4 to 6 weeks?
Yeah, it's unlikely, especially we see how things go with that US administration.